Hello guys, today I will show you how to remove a team from Yahoo Fantasy Football. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to yahoosports.com and log in using your user credentials. Now, after you log in, you'll be on this page where you'll have to first of all click on the fantasy icon here. Now, you'll have to click on Fantasy Football. I'm going to click on Fantasy Hockey, but you can choose Fantasy Football. The process will be same. Click on Fantasy Football and it will take you up to your Fantasy Football's page. We'll be able to see your teams and leagues that you will have. Now, click on this small settings icon that is just right after My Teams and Leagues. When you click on this setting icon, it will show up this page. Here, you'll have to just scroll down and you can see that you have the option to delete teams and leagues. Now, if I would want to remove any of the team, I will click on delete team button. It will ask me, are you sure you want to delete this auto pick team? I will click on delete team button again and it will instantly delete that team. You can click on the setting icon again. You can see now I have just one team. I can click on delete team again. When I click on delete team here, this will instantly delete this team also. So that is a simple way to remove a team from Yahoo Fantasy Football. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.